now work on French alphabet. The French alphabet has 26 letters, like in English. It would be useful to know how to pronounce the letters in case you have to spell out your name to a French receptionist. Haley would sound like H-A-L-E-Y. That will make sense to her, but the English version will not. Repeat the alphabet after me. Please try to watch my lips. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now let's practice with a few names. First one is Amanda. A-M-A-N-D-A. Sam. S-A-M. Jeffrey. J-E-2-F-E-R-Y. If your name has double consonant, a double vowel, like Lee. L, deux E. So deux meaning two in French. So L, deux E. Harry is H, A, deux R, Y. And Bobby would be B, O, deux B, Y. Now, it's your turn to practice at home with your own name. Good luck. A, A, B, B, C, C, D. Watch my lips. D. E. Lips forward. E. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. V. V. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. Z. Z.